Hello everyone, my name is Wesley. I have about 12 years experience in doing projects in the mineral processing sector, working on processing plants that are being constructed for mines across the world. My experience of the workshop over the last 2 weekends, it's been a lot of information to take in, but a lot of good information. As they say, when you start, you unlearn the bad things and learn all of the new techniques. So it's been really good to get the information on how to do things properly. Did it meet my expectations? I think it's exceeded my expectations. I've really learned a lot, but this is the starting point of going through all the required information and getting ready for the exam prep. There's still a lot to learn, and I think this is the starting point. I can definitely help integrate this into what we do in my workplace. There's definitely a lot of techniques, and not only that, but documents and procedures which we can incorporate, which is just generally going to make the project management procedures in our organization a lot more structured, and hopefully make the processes a lot easier to integrate. Thanks very much.